Welcome. It's such a blessing to come to you again. In this video, I want you to declare that it's your miracle day.
Today, I want to share with you a powerful prayer I discovered in a book by Luis in 2017, a prayer that completely transformed my life. When I began reciting it every morning upon waking, my life changed almost instantly. Unexpectedly, I received $50,000, and my problems resolved effortlessly. I don't ask you to believe me. I ask you to try it for yourself and experience the results. Let's begin this life-changing prayer together. Life-changing prayer. From the depths of the center of my being, there is an infinite well of gratitude. I draw upon this infinite well, filling my heart with a profound sense of thankfulness. I allow this gratitude to expand within me, radiating through my body, calming my mind, illuminating my consciousness, and elevating my spirit. This gratitude flows out of me like a radiant light, spreading in all directions, and returning to me multiplied as countless blessings and experiences for which to be thankful. The more gratitude I feel, the clearer I become about the limitless provision of God. I recognize that the universe is abundant, and that I am a part of this abundance. I am deeply aware that gratitude is the key that unlocks the flow of prosperity, peace, and joy into my life. In this sacred moment, I choose to release all negative and restrictive thoughts. I let go of doubts that have clouded my vision and fears that have held me back. I free myself from the limitations of the past, embracing the truth that I am unlimited in my potential and worthy of all that is good. I now affirm with conviction that I am one with the infinite and prosperous power of the universe. I am a magnet for divine prosperity. Riches of every kind, financial, emotional, and spiritual, flow to me effortlessly. I embrace this flow with an open heart and mind, knowing that I am deserving of all the blessings life has to offer. I declare that I deserve to live in comfort, abundance, and joy. I deserve to live the life of my dreams, a life filled with purpose, passion, and fulfillment. The universe, in its infinite generosity, is more than willing to manifest my beliefs into reality. I accept these blessings fully, knowing they are already mine. I feel immense gratitude for this life, here and now. I embrace the divine flow of abundance that surrounds me and fills my life with beauty and possibility. I trust completely in the divine power of the universe to guide and support me. I am confident that all my needs are met with ease and grace, even before I'm aware of them. I open my heart to receive all forms of wealth and prosperity. Financial blessings find their way to me with ease. Emotional fulfillment uplifts my spirit. Spiritual richness deepens my connection to the divine. I declare that blessings and opportunities flow into my life each day, and I welcome them with joy and gratitude. I see prosperity in every area of my life. I feel it in my relationships, my career, my health, and my personal growth. I know that my gratitude amplifies and multiplies all that I receive, creating a cycle of ever-expanding abundance. With every breath I take, I anchor these truths deeper into my being. I am worthy of abundance. I'm grateful for all I have and all that is coming to me. I'm aligned with the divine flow of prosperity. Thank you, universe, for the incredible blessings I experience now and those that are on their way. I'm grateful for the life I am creating, a life filled with purpose, joy, and abundance. I'm grateful for the opportunities I have embraced, the challenges I have overcome, and the miracles that continue to unfold before me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. With this prayer, I affirm my faith in the infinite abundance of the universe. I let go of all doubt, fear, and feelings of lack. I step fully into the life I am destined for. a life of joy, prosperity, and fulfillment. I trust that the divine power that created me has equipped me with everything I need to live a rich and meaningful life. I am open. I am ready. I am worthy. I am grateful. Amen.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.